In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record Google Meet video call on mobile with audio 2025 UP dated. This can be done smoothly, but it does depend on your device and permissions. While Google Meet does not natively support direct recording on mobile, as it does on desktop for Google Workspace accounts, there are effective workarounds to capture both video and audio from your calls. To get started, you'll need a reliable screen recording app. Most Android and iOS devices now come with built-in screen recorders. On Android, swipe down to access quick settings and tap the screen recorder option. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner and tap the recording icon. Before starting the recording, ensure that microphone audio is enabled. This is key to capturing both your voice and the incoming audio from the Meet. Now, launch the Google Meet app and join your meeting as usual. Once you're in, begin the screen recording. Make sure your device volume is up and that you're using speaker mode so your internal microphone picks up both sides of the conversation. If you're using earbuds or Bluetooth headphones, it might only record your voice, not the other person's, unless you're using a third-party recording app with internal audio capture. For even better results and cleaner audio, consider using apps like Xrecorder, Android, or Recordit, iOS. Both allow enhanced control over video resolution and audio sources. When the meeting is done, stop the screen recording, and your video will be saved to your gallery or file manager. From there, you can trim, edit, or upload it wherever needed. Keep in mind, it's essential to inform participants that you're recording the call. This is not just ethical, but also a legal requirement in many regions. Always get consent before recording any video meeting. Thank you for watching this video.